That's the supply. You are looping it to the other side. So we've transferred the supply from first conduit box to the second conduit box. Then we are transferring it from the second to the third conduit box. Now we are done with the third conduit box. Now everything is intact there. Now it's left with our switch cables. So we need our 1.5 to connect from conduit box 1. So we'll start. We'll start from our circular box. This one we need to use fishing tape, but because the hose are not too long, that's why I don't want to use the fishing tape. So now we are done with our switch cable. Switch cable 1. We are done with switch cable 1. Then switch cable 2. We are connecting our switch cable 2. Okay. So we are done with our switch cable 2. Now it's left with our switch cable 3. Okay. So now we are done with our switch cable 3. Okay, so everything is intact. So this is how you can wire your lamp and your switches. So thank you very much for watching. So we are about to test what we just did. We'll be doing continuity test. So sit back and watch. So we are about to run our continuity test. So the continuity test that we are about to do, we'll be using the clamp meter. The other time on my video I did testing, so I want you to go and watch the testing, how the testing is and how to test for the continuity test. So please, let's move on. So first of all, this is our power supply from this place to that place. So we want to test whether the cable is correct, like there is no break in the cable. So we'll test for that. That's the continuity test that we are about to do. So we are peeling the cable and then we will join it. So this is the power supply. So we are joining it together so that we will test. So this is our clamp meter. As you can see, this is our clamp meter. And then you set it to continuity test. As you can see, it's on continuity test. And then this the life and neutral. When you put it on it, you can hear the sound. Yeah. So we'll be doing it like this. You hold the where the supply is, and then you test from this place. As you can see, you can hear it, which means it's working. The cable is okay. And then we are about to try the other one too. And then that one too, we'll join it. We just peel it. So we are joining it together. So we are trying that the cable that we are using, there is no break inside. So anytime you do the wiring, you need to check whether there is no break in the cable so that it will not affect your wiring. Yeah. So it is important to check. Any engineer or any electrical person must do this. It's important so much. So there is it, as you can hear. So from the power supply to this place, you can hear the sound. You can hear the sound. You can hear the sound. Everything is intact. So we are done with one, and then we are about to test the neutral too. So this will help you to do good work as an engineer. You need this, all these clamp meter